So Ozark season 4 is out, right? You guys
Yes.
watching it?
Don't.
I started it last night.
Hey.
Did you?
Whoa! I just started the first season. Okay.
Yes.
Want to know my feelings about Ozark so far?
Yes.
This is what my lovely boyfriend recorded of me watching Ozark.
100% of what's inside. So we're getting the big string again.
That's not you.
That
That
is
is
me.
not you.
That is me watching Ozark.
Roll the tape.
Yeah, do it again.
What's inside.
No.
So we're getting the big string again.
Wow.
I don't believe it.
I sound
Do it
like
again.
an 86-year-old
Yeah,
man.
I don't believe that's you.
Of what's inside.
Wow.
You sound like
Big string again.
You sound like a bear.
one of my uncles in Cape Breton.
You sound like you went on a Cape Breton bender.
Yeah.